Hi, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Road Travel Sketchers. Today we're doing something a little different. We won't be sketching so much as installing these seat covers that I got for our 2017 Ram 2500. When I ordered these off Amazon, which I do have the link below, I was reading the reviews, and a lot of people are having trouble installing these, especially the back seat here. One reviewer even mentioned he had to remove the seat to put the covers on. So I thought I would just record it as I did it. I did not have to remove the back seat, and show you how I installed them, so that maybe this may help you if you decide to get some. The brand on these are Design Covers. Most of their reviews were pretty positive. Complaints were they were too snug of a fit. And the instructions were terrible, which if you've installed any car seats in the past, they go on really similar. It is a snug fit. The directions are really basic. You have to work them, especially the front seats are pretty tight. The back seat, the problem is access, being able to reach behind the back seat and attach them. But I'll show you how I did it, and that may help you. So I kind of started ahead, got the bottom part 3/4 of the way on before I started the video, just to save you some time. So let's get started. The bottom I already put on, which is, I'm just finishing that up on this side. Here we go. The way I do it, I just take these little eyelets here, run them through, run the strap through, and then loop it around, so that it's just like a slip knot kind of thing on there. And I kind of go through and do that on all the hooks, and then I just figure out the best way without poking holes into the bottom of my seat. So I also have we have two twin 4-year-olds, who's almost 5, and a 6-year-old that our grandsons that we have with us quite a bit. So I also put a blanket down underneath these, so they tend to spill a lot of their drinks, and so that's what this is here. But otherwise the bottom went on pretty snug. And now the tricky one, which is the top, because I'm not going to take the back seat out. Important thing to remember when you're putting this on, you got to slip it around the seat belt. Sure I get the straps underneath so I can grab them when I lift the seat up. So I just hook that from top to bottom. Gotta kind of have long arms, and I suppose if you care about what it looks like underneath, you'll probably want to do a better job than I'm doing. Thought I need more hooks, but I don't. I actually skipped the loop over here. That's gonna work. They do have headrests I need to run in and get.
to go in the back.
Well, that's about it. Took about a half hour to put on, maybe a little longer because I was recording. The trick with putting the back on without having to take the whole seat out is to make sure you have the straps tucked down inside. Lift the bottom of the seat up and reach your arm up. There's actually a pretty good gap at the bottom. And reach your arm up, grab the strap, and then you can hook them together. They don't need to be real tight. These stay in place really well. Check out the front seat installation if you're having trouble with that. That'll be in a separate video. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you later. Take 3. Hi, and welcome to another